welcome back. This is Rando Geek. Alright guys, so we have some updates on the Google Pixel Watch 2. I'll be honest, it's not very much to go on, but it's better than nothing. One thing we're pretty sure of is that the watch is expected to be launched alongside the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro in October. If this is true, and I hope it is, that means that those of you that are looking to combo up and you want the device and the watch at the same time and you don't want to wait, well, this will be perfect. They launch at the same time. You can get both. Also, another pro, as we all know, as if you launch around this time of year, that time of year, you can take advantage of the Black Friday deals that are going to probably be out, and you can save yourself a couple dollars. That's also another pro, right? Another thing that is somewhat confirmed is that they might be looking to change the name. They may not be looking to call it the Pixel Watch 2. Instead, they may try to call it something else, maybe shorten it. I guess the idea of this is to try to hype it up, make the product seem bigger than what it might actually be. You know, better promotion, better marketing. So that's another thing that we could see. Next, we might be introduced to dynamic color and Android 13 serving as the next base. So those are the three things that are likely to be added to the watch. Now, certain things that we want to see. I'm in agreement with this. First thing from me, smaller bezels. Why? Well, if you buy yourself any device that's pretty much relying on a screen, right? A Pixel Watch, a phone. Last thing you want to look at is big, huge bezels, right? I think we can all agree we want as least bezels as possible so that we can experience the joy of the screen, right? Especially when you're buying a watch. A watch isn't very big as it is. The screens are never big enough, right? Any bigger, it would be impossible to wear on your hand. So you have to make the most of the screen size. The least amount of bezels makes the screen look bigger, makes the screen look better. So hopefully they'll consider reducing the bezel size so that you can enjoy the most of the watch, right? So again, this is what I'd like to see. This is what others expecting to see. So hopefully Google is listening. Next, a new chip. Why the new chip? Well, the new chip can help improve battery life. It can also improve the functionality of the overall watch experience. Things will run smoother. So that's another thing we hope to get. I hope Google is listening. But you know what? Next week is the launch. Most likely they're going to show this off since it's pretty much confirmed that it's going to be released in October. So we'll have to wait and see. This is when we can see exactly what's going on. We'll get more updates, more news. For now, we're just going to go based on what we're hearing and seeing based on leaks. So we'll just have to wait and see. I'll leave a link for you in the description. You can read more about this. This is from 9 to 5 Google. So they're always reliable. Their sources are very good. So that's it for this one, guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. What are you looking for? What are you looking forward to seeing in a Google Pixel Watch? What would you like to see changed, added? Let me know below. If you can do me a favor and like this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe as well. Otherwise, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.